Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Suhail Khan and I'm going to tell you how you can calculate age in Microsoft Excel. For that purpose, I have this data in which I have names and then there is this date of birth. First caution is please make sure your date of birth column is set to date. So in format cell, you need to go and set it to date. You can click over here for more numbers and select the date and the style of the date that you want. I have selected this. Secondly, in the age column, make sure it is set to numbers. For calculating age, what we need to do, we will use dated if formula. So we will just put is equal to dated if bracket start, and then we will select the start date, which is actually date of birth, comma, and then we need to tell the current date, for which we can use the current date from here, or we can write or use today's formula. So we will put today and then we will start and close the bracket, so it will take the today's date, and then we will put comma, and then in inverted commas we will write y, and we are writing y so that we can get years in return, and then we will close our bracket, and if you press enter it shows your current age, and if you drag the same over here it will tell the age of all of the persons mentioned in this list. This was one way. There is another way. Instead of using today's formula, I can use a date from here as well. To put today's date, what you need to do, all you need to do is press Control and then semicolon. It will put today's date in a selected cell. So instead of using today's formula, what we can do, we can replace this today's formula with this date which is written in this cell, and then drag it over here. It will give the same result. All we need to do is lock the cell reference, so I put $sign before and after, and now if I drag it, it will give me the same date. Why we used a date from a cell and not from today's formula is the reason, if we want to have someone's age on a specific date, which is this, so we will use this formula instead of today's one, because today's one will be updated every day. If you want to update the age every day, like I open this file in 3 months time, it will update the age accordingly. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get more interesting video about the same. Thank you so much.